Hello, Team Abundance. It is Jason Michael Hull. Hope you're having a wonderful day today. Just wanted to give you another edition of what a successful trade looks like, so you can train your eyes to have successful trades. So this is the GN, the GBP NZD. This is a 15-minute chart, and primarily wanted to show this to you as a continuation of trend trade off of the trend line trade. So as you see here, we have a downtrend, right, with lower highs and lower lows coming down. Here's the trend line that I drew. You can see this right here, this this pink trend line. And I also have a resistance or a support and resistance line. Let me show it to you right here, right? So I showed you, I wanted to let you know that there is a support and resistance level. You can go back and actually see. Let me actually scroll back here for you so you can see that this is a major support level. It's hit here a bunch of times in that zone, right? So prices has a history of making a decision based on that zone. So I have a couple of different confirmations here. Number one, we're in a downtrend, right? We came down and then bounced off this zone down in here. Okay, so we bounced off of this zone down in here and then came back up to test the trend line. So when this came up into this zone, it made a decision. It wicked up above my trend line, wicked up above the support, and then the next candle fell. So as you can see, I actually got 60 pips out of this. So far I had two positions, 30 pips each. So I entered two trades, one when I hit this trend line, and then one when it broke below and I saw that it was going to go ahead and follow the trend. Remember, trading with a trend is the best way to go. The trend is your friend. So pretty simple trade. Here's the deal with this, guys. It's just about patience, right? It's just about patience. Seeing that you have a trend line here, if it hits your trend line, does what you want it to do, you get in the trade. If not, you don't. That's really the key. The key with trading the Forex is patience and discipline. That's what it is. So if you can have those two and you do those two, you will be successful in trading. And remember, trading is not about guessing what the price is going to do. It's about seeing what price has already done, and making a calculated decision based on what price has already done. I have a level of support with the trend line. I have a level of resistance with this green line here, and price did, what I expected it to do, but I let price tell me what it was going to do before I went ahead and made that decision. So this was two successful trades that I wanted to pop in here and show you guys. Hopefully you can start seeing and getting an eye for this as well and have more successful trades every single day. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you on the next webinar. Thanks. God bless. Bye for now.